Hello everyone, you are going to do this Pythagorean theorem stations sheet that you started on Friday. Make sure that all of the problems are completed. I want to make sure that you guys understand how to do these real-world problems. I want a drawing for each of these because you will have one of these kind of problems on the assessment, and it might be something that you haven't had practice with, but you should be able to draw and figure out. So let me go ahead and do number 3 for you. So make sure when you do the word problems that you read it. A wheelchair ramp is 16 feet long. The ramp sits up on a 2-foot platform. And how far is it from the end of the ramp to the bottom of the platform? So what you have to do is you have to kind of think about what the words are saying. So if I have a wheelchair ramp, it's typically going into a building and it's higher than the ground. And so I'm going to say that this is the door and this is the building. And I know some of you can draw much better drawings than I can. You can actually think of this as a school. So it says the ramp sits up on a 2-foot platform. So this part is 2 feet. And it's 6 feet long because it says the ramp is 6 feet long. And they want to know how far it is from the end of the ramp to the bottom of the platform. So this is the distance that they're looking for right here. So if you guys remember, a lot of these drawings make 90-degree angles, so 90-degree triangles. So what you want to do is go ahead and put your 90-degree angle there, figure out your A side. This is probably the B side, and remember the side across from the 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. And so it looks like we're solving for B. And from this point on, you can go, you can do 2 squared and then 16 squared. And then you can find B using the Pythagorean theorem. I'm not going to show you how to do that part because you already know how to do that. I just want to make sure that you are creating the drawing to solve for the Pythagorean theorem. And again, remember, you guys have been working with A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So in this problem, you're going to take C squared and subtract it from A squared to get B squared, or your B side. So again, make sure that you do all of these problems, and I want all the word problems to have a beautiful drawing. I can't wait to see them on Thursday. Have a good day.